Okay, guys, so let's check on our chicken. Now, they sure do look like they done plumped up a little bit. I don't know if it got anything to do with this seasoning. So, look at there. Welcome back to the kitchen. You guys, today we have us some chicken wings. You guys, you see it. Okay, so but today these are kind of like a special wing. First of all, how's everybody doing? Good, because your girl is back with another video. So yes, you guys, if you view me for the first time, thumbs this video straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. So look. We got some delicious wings, you guys. And today we are going to get ready and we're going to create some cracked chicken. Yes, some licking chicken, cracked chicken. Yes, okay. So yeah, this is taking our fried chicken to a whole new level. Well, at least that's what the package say. Okay. So yeah, we're going to go ahead. I have two flavors. I'm not sure what flavor I'm going to go with. But let's get into this video. So yeah, I have the original flavor. You guys, let me show you guys. Can you guys see it? Yeah. And we have the buffalo. So, I'm not sure which one I'm going to go with. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and season this up. Because we have some Cajun. No, cayenne. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, style spicy. And we're just going to go ahead and we're going to put that on there. Why? Because that's what your girl in the mood for. Okay? Along with some black pepper. So, we have some black pepper right here. And we're going to put it on here just like so. And that's what we're going to season our meat up. We don't want to put too much seasoning because we want to get right on in here and we want to taste the flavor of these different types of seasonings. But what I'm not going to do is I am not going to put that breading on until I get ready to fry it. I'm just rinsing my hands, you guys. Yes. So I said, let me bring this cracked seasoned flour mixture to the channel. Now, how many of you guys heard of this? Because if you never heard of it, well, we're here to let you know that it's actually out here, you guys. Let me put me a little more seasoning on here. Because we're going to let that sit and marinate for a minute. And I'll see you guys over at the next, turn around on this video, the stove. Okay? So we got our cast iron and we're just going to put us some oil in here. Because we're going to pan fry this. And yeah, we're going to get into this right here, this cracked chicken. Let's put this, let's put this right here for the time being. Okay, let's put that right there for the time being. This is our chicken. And we're going to let that warm on up. So we're going to go with the original flavor. And I'm just going to like open it up. I'm not going to pour all of it in here. Why? Because I want to pour as I go. So guys, I want to show you what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can kind of like see it. We're just going to use a little bit. Can you guys see it much better? So it looks as if it's seasoned well, but we don't know. So yeah, we're going to try this recipe and we're going to see how our wings turn out. So let's test our skillet. It's just about there, but not quite. Now, some people fold their wings, and sometimes I do fold, but I'm not folding today. Okay, so let me zip this up. And we're going to shake this coating all over this chicken. So we got it nicely coated. And so, yeah, let's test it and see how this goes. And we're going to shake it off. Okay. We're not going to overcrowd it. So let's put that one back. Because I want every piece done. So let me give you guys a little closer. Okay, so now we have it frying and we'll see you when it's ready. Okay guys, so let's check on our chicken. Now they sure do look like they done plumped up a little bit. I don't know if it got anything to do with this seasoning. So look at there. Okay. Oh, look at that goldenness. You guys, check out that goldenness. Now that one is golden. It comes out a pretty golden brown, I must say. And I want to say the tax was like maybe $3. The season pack was about $3, if I'm not mistaken. I don't want to really give you the wrong price. So yeah, it gives a pretty golden brown. But yeah, we're going to stay tuned because I want to check it out and see if it's really finger licking good. There you have it, guys. The best fried chicken recipe it is. I guess you can say it's a winner. It looks licking chicken. I guess it looking like licking chicken. Okay, now the reason why I say that is because it definitely is on the bag. Okay, so yeah, let's get it in here. How can I show you guys? So yeah, that is what it's looking like. So let's go on in here. Let's see if we can hear a crunch. That's hot. Okay, let me see. Well, I don't want to take a big thing. It's hot. Okay, let's see. Girl got her a piece. It's definitely delicious. It's definitely delicious. And I like it. Of course, I season it. And plus the flour or the batter or breading had its own seasoning. So it's definitely a winner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. And if you haven't tried it, look for it at your local stores. From my understanding, they've been out for a while. And your girl is going to try the buffalo style very soon. So I'm going to get ready to close this out and send much love from my house to yours. And if you're not part of the fam, please join and become part of the fam. I would love to meet you guys. So make sure you leave a comment below so I'll know where to go. So from my house to yours, sending much love. Goodbye.